Hi beauties, welcome back. What is going on? You guys, I haven't filmed in a little bit. Well, no, let me scrap that. I filmed my general reactions to the Mayans on Tuesday, but I'm still editing that video. It's something completely different that I'm going to put on my channel for you guys. I hope you guys enjoy it. I don't know when I'm going to film it. Upload it. Yeah. Liza, get yourself together. Anyways, you guys, if this is your first time checking out my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. I will really appreciate it if you join my family here. And today we're going to be talking about BoxyCharm. But before I get into it, you guys, I do want to say that if you hear any like rain or like little noise against my window, it's because we're actually technically in the middle of Tropical Storm Nestor. So there's that. And then another thing I want to mention, you guys, is I need your help because this might be my last BoxyCharm that I ever film. And I'll tell you why. Number one, everyone and their mother is filming their BoxyCharms, and I just feel like there's so many videos out there on BoxyCharm every month. It's just like really, like I get a lot of us get different variations of the box. Different opinions are amazing. I love that. But the fact that I feel like everyone is doing it, I really want to be doing stuff on my channel that you guys want to see. So what I'm going to ask is, if you guys want me to stop filming BoxyCharm every month, give this video a thumbs down. If you guys want me to do it every other month and kind of twist it up a little bit, like I've been toying around with the idea of actually bringing Emily and Lourdes in with me so we can do unboxings together because we all get BoxyCharm now. If you guys want me to do like an unboxing with friends type of thing, I can definitely start trying to organize that with the girls for the new year. Our schedules are a little crazy right now, and our schedules are completely different. The holiday season is already gearing up and kicking in, so that makes it a little bit harder for us to even try to film something like that as of this point. So you guys, please help me out. If you guys want me to stop BoxyCharm altogether, remember thumbs down. If you want me to do one every other month and do different twists to it, like bringing my friends into it, give this video a thumbs up and leave me comments down below on what you guys want to see. I really appreciate your help on this, you guys, because I don't want to continue doing something that you guys don't want to see and where you can see it everywhere else. So with that being said, you guys, let's jump right into October's box. Okay, I will say there's a little twist in this box because number one, the palette that I received in the box, I don't have it on my eyes, and I will explain in a minute. This month's theme is After Dark, and I'm not going to explain what BoxyCharm is because obviously everyone is doing it. We've already explained it 1,000 times, so you already know what BoxyCharm entails. And yes, it's totally worth it, and yes, it's totally affordable, and yes, I absolutely love it. So the first one we're going to be talking about is the Dose of Colors eyeshadow palette. It is a 5-pan matte eyeshadow palette, and I love that their eyeshadow palettes, you guys, are all matte. I absolutely freaking love that. Now, for the moment, I am over eyeshadows, but because this is a BoxyCharm video, I am trying the products inside for you, but I will let you know really fast that most of the items in this box I did not use because I'm going to be giving them away, and one of the items I only used one, and I'm keeping that one, and I absolutely love it. So this is the one that I got in this month's BoxyCharm. I got, what is it? It's called Baked Browns. Now I have plenty of colors very similar to these, you guys, in other eyeshadow palettes that I have. So I'm going to be giving this away to someone who can actually use it, but I will show you what it is if you do not know what they look like. They do come with a brush. The brushes are okay, but it comes also with a mirror. I love the packaging on this. This is absolutely beautiful. They're travel friendly. I can stick this in my back pocket and keep walking. But yes, so that is the first one we got, and these run for $32. Now, with that being said, you guys, last year I bought the Snow Angels one, and this is actually the palette that I have all over my eyes. Well, I didn't put the brush back in. I'll probably toss the brush because it's not what I usually use. But anyways, I used this one because I was just like, oh my gosh, I still haven't used this. I got it on sale for $19, and I didn't want to ruin a brand new palette with colors that I already have when I haven't used this one, and Everyone is saying that all of these palettes, the eyeshadow formula, are the same. So I was like, you know what? Let me dive into the Snow Angels one. And you guys, I absolutely love this eyeshadow formula. Now, it did take me a little bit to create this look. I did use all the shadows except for the blue one, which is called Pretty Bold. I will say, of course, my favorite colors is the Berry Cold, and then this blue purple type of color. Oh my gosh, you guys, is what I like carved out my dimension on the side and just like smoked it in. It is absolutely amazing. The pigmentation, it is just like crazy. There's a lot of kick up, I will say, in the first one, but the rest are pretty pressed hard in there, so I didn't get a lot of kick up. I really didn't get any fallout, which is great. It does come with a mirror. I love the packaging. The eyeshadows, you guys, blended in so good with each other, but you have to be careful with that really dark one because it has so much pigmentation that you want to go a little bit at a time and just build it up. They're completely buildable. I absolutely love the eyeshadow palette. It is beautiful. I'm glad that I bought it. So if all the eyeshadow formulas are the same in these types of pans by Dose of Colors, I definitely would want a couple of others. So with that being said, you guys, I would totally recommend one of these. These are amazing. I love it, and this is the look that I came up with. So moving on, the next item in the box is the Touch and So Pretty Filter Glassy Skin Balm. This runs for $32. It is the Ultra Hydrating Priming Skin Balm with a sensationally smooth texture that melts into your skin and creates the illuminant glow that lasts throughout the day. Now, you guys, just by the first use of it, first of all, I love the packaging. The packaging is so pretty and it's very unique because you know how you just twist it and it's basically the same like dimension of the cap, but this one isn't. Like, it goes in. So you see how it looks? It's got like a gap here, and it's not too thick, it's not too thin. It goes on the skin great, you guys. It doesn't leave like a type of greasiness behind. It really sinks into the skin very well. The only thing I don't like about this so far, you guys, is that when you first apply it to your skin, it comes off like you could smell like paint primer. Like, it smells like paint primer. But when you rub it into your skin and then it starts like fading away, it starts to smell like fresh citrus flowers, and it is so invigorating. Oh my gosh. It lingers for a little bit, but once you start applying your makeup onto it, then the smell goes away. I really so far like this. It did leave a really nice moisturizing feel to my face. And it did leave a little bit of a tackiness still too, because it's a primer as well. So it still does have that tackiness to it that when you put your makeup on, it really latches onto it. I think that's why I sort of had an issue applying my foundation, because it did latch on in this little area right here, but I was able to blend it out with some Smashbox water primer. So that pretty much worked to like blend it out as well. But you guys, the way that this left my skin, it left my skin looking fresh, so smooth, a glassy look to it. And even like you could still even like, I literally have I just have the primer on and then my foundation and then finishing spray. I did not set my forehead and I didn't put highlighter up in here. Do you not see how like nice and glassy it does look? Like, it really does live up to the name so far, and I really like the shine to it and how refreshed your face looks when you apply this. And it also makes it look very hydrating and just like youthful, and it made my skin look absolutely healthy. I'm loving this so far, you guys. So this is the only item that I am keeping. So to move on, you guys, what else I got in the box that I did not try, sorry, but I'm gonna be giving this stuff away. There's stuff in here that I don't need. The next thing that I did get was the Paula's Choice Skin Perfecting 2% BHA Liquid Exfoliant. This runs for $29.50. Now, it is for all skin types, which is cool. It's supposed to unclog and shrink enlarged pores, smooths an even skin tone, and is a lightweight liquid, absorbs quickly. Now, the only reason why I did not want to try this, you guys, is because I already have a set skincare routine, and I don't want to ruin it. I had a little incident with some Mario Badescu products, that I was a little bit shocked by the results by using them. That will be a separate video. And I will tell you what's going on with that, but I had to completely stop using it. So I don't want to mess with the set skincare routine that I have going on because it's working for me and it's making my skin look very healthy, very good, very just youthful, and it's working for me, you guys. My skin lately has just been amazing, and I don't want to ruin that. So I didn't want to add another skincare product into my set routine, and then it might just like mess it up. So I'm just gonna pass this to someone who can use it. And I also got the iconic London lip plumping gloss. This runs for $26. I'm already like up to my freaking knees in lip gloss, you guys. I'm not gonna put this to waste. It does look beautiful. I have, though, no interest in using this, and it smells like mint. I'm not a fan of mint. I'm gonna pass this along, and this is called the color Nearly Nude. And then I'm just gonna move right along, you guys, because I mean, this video is already late. I really was debating if I should film this or not, so here we are. It's the 19th and you're getting this video. So the last thing that I got, I've gotten one of these before by them. I do not like this brand, you guys. This is the Jones Blue Lip Liner Pencil. It runs for $5. I've used this before. I just don't like it, you guys, so I didn't want to ruin it, and I'm gonna pass this along. This is the color Hot Red. Although it looks amazing, I'm not gonna ruin it because I'm gonna pass this to someone who can actually use it. And that is pretty much my box. I don't like these lip liners. For me personally, they didn't work. They tugged at my lips. They were not easy to use at all. There's just like, I don't know, you guys, I'm sorry, I don't want to say this, but I'm going to say this, but they're pretty cheap and I don't like them. I just came across the Morphe lip liners and I absolutely freaking love them. If you haven't seen my Morphe lip swatch video, I will link that up above for you. So you guys, out of the 5 items, the palettes are amazing, and I'm keeping the Touch and So Glassy Pretty filter. And this is just like, I've already fallen in love with it. It is absolutely amazing. So that is what I got in my mom's BoxyCharm for October, you guys. I hope you found this helpful. I did want to shout out my friend Marissa because she went back to Halloween Horror Nights. If you haven't seen my video on Halloween Horror Nights when I went, I will also link that above for you guys so you guys can enjoy my crazy night with me. It was so cool. I wish I could go again. Oh my gosh. But she went back and she got me my Killer Clowns from Outer Space shirt, and I am absolutely loving it. It's got like a vintage vibe to it. I've never gotten a shirt like this before, and I'm so glad that she picked this one out, and it fits me like a glove. I absolutely love it. So thank you, Marissa. I love you. So you guys, I will see you in my next video. Again, thumbs up if you want me to do it every other month and bring some friends into it. Thumbs down if you want me to stop filming BoxyCharm completely, you guys. So please help your girl out because my channel is your channel and I always want to do what you guys want to see. I love you guys and I will see you next week. Bye.